when police officers nearly lose their lives.
Don't reach for the gun!
Bro, tell me once I love her, baby. You're good.
Some pressure on it, okay? Sorry.
She's not breathing. Hit her again.
Case 1. December 26th, 2021. Escondido, California.
Hey, perfect!
A deadly confrontation unfolded after a 3.5-hour chase involving a 39-year-old suspect wanted for a fatal shooting in Vista. The suspect, later identified as Roberto Salgado, exchanged gunfire with 2 Escondido police officers.
Little... Stop! Don't reach for the gun!
Do not move.
Hold on, everybody hold! Everybody hold! Everybody hold! He's still moving! The gun is to his left! He's still moving!
Put your hands up now.
I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit!
Where you hit?
I'm hit!
You guys good?
I'm hit! I'm hit!
Where you hit?
Left side! Left side! Hit!
Where you hit? Where you
Hit!
hit?
Good?
Where you hit?
Where you hit?
Where you hit?
Left side! Left side!
Where you hit?
Good. I know I'm good.
Is it in the vest?
Just put I think it went inside. I don't know if it went inside or...
Okay, how do we get the vest off? The clips?
Yeah. Where you hit?
Cut it if you have to. Just rifle. Hey, you're good, Danny. You're good, man. We got you.
I'm good. I'm not fucking stressing out.
How do we take this vest off, man? Okay, there we go. Right there. Okay. Get into the car. Let's move now. Get him in my car now.
Think I'm on, man.
Guys, just get him in my car. Let's go. All right. Get him in my car right now. Where is it? Right here. Hey, can you guys secure those?
One of the officers was struck in the chest, but thanks to his body armor, he survived and was treated at the hospital. Salgado was fatally shot, bringing the intense standoff to a tragic end.
Go. Somebody right back there. Right back there.
We're asking him to show them the vehicle now.
The suspect, identified as 39-year-old Roberto Salgado, was wanted in connection with a fatal shooting that took place at a Vista home around 5 p.m. on Sunday. After an intense pursuit and gunfire exchange with Escondido police officers, Salgado was shot and killed during the confrontation. Case 2. February 23, 2022. Hobbs, New Mexico. At 10:29 p.m., Officer Jorge Carrillo of the Hobbs Police Department stopped to assist what seemed like a stranded motorist in a Dodge Ram on Turner Street. What appeared to be a routine stop quickly escalated into a violent shootout between Carrillo and the truck's owner, 27-year-old Daniel Ramirez.
Correction, Northern Morris.
Navajo and Morris.
2-7 to dispatch. We have a motorist assist just in front of a Leto on Turner. Stand by for the 28. There's multiple people here trying to push a flag dually.
Yeah, right.
Hi. 2-7 to dispatch. 28 is going to be New Mexico boy Charles Mary George 57 BC MG 57. Hi, whose truck is this? Oh yeah, everyone's trying to see what's going on.
Hey, 3 dispatch. King 120 was Marlon and Morris.
Stop pushing, it's cold. Marlon and Morris.
Hey, step out here, bro, real quick. Hey, I'm not dumb, okay? So step, both of you guys, come over here. Bro, listen to me. No. Hey, both of you guys.
What?
272 dispatch. Did you get a return for that 28?
Stand by.
Hey! I got one running. Bro, I'm gonna tase you, bro. I'm gonna tase you. Hey! Bro, I'm gonna tase you. Bro. I'm gonna tase you. Stop.
Where's he at?
Stop. Stop. I'm gonna tase you, bro. Let me see your hands. Bro. Stop. Bro. I'm gonna tase you. Put your hands behind your back now. I'm not joking anymore. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back right now. Bro. Bro, listen to me, bro. I don't want to tase you. Hey, I will tase you, bro. Put your hands back right now. One. Ah. I bet you got this place.
Sending body worn down in 10 seconds. Sending body worn down in 5 seconds.
Leg. Right here.
Body worn down.
This guy.
Where you at?
What's your tourniquet?
My leg, bro.
Where?
My leg. I'm showing my leg.
Which one?
This one. I'm bleeding, bro.
You good?
Tell my life.
Where's the shot fired at?
Come on, this. My wife, I love her.
You're good, compa.
Send it to dispatch. How many shot in the legs, dispatch? I'm by Valero.
You're not hurt, compa.
Star 55, dispatch.
You're good, compa.
What? The male subject has a gun. Be careful, listen. He has a gun. The male subject with a camo jacket.
Which direction? Star 55 to Hellcat standby house. Contact all captains. Contact all captains.
You're good, compa. You're good, compa.
Bro, tell my wife I love her, baby.
You're good.
And my baby too, please. Okay.
You're okay. You're good, compa. Hey, put your leg out. Put your leg straight. Put your leg straight. That's my. Put your leg straight.
I don't know where I'm shot. Rip my pants.
Here fast.
Rip my pants. Rip my pants so you can see where my bullet is.
Like the gun. We got the gun.
I got a knife.
I got tourniquet on.
Yeah.
Tourniquet's on. You're okay, okay? You got two, okay?
I'm good.
Is that the suspect right there?
Yes.
Okay.
He shot at me. That guy with a jacket shot at me.
Suspect is here. Suspect is here. Get the 55 here.
It's right here. Parked over there. No, they haven't. They took it over there. Okay?
Everybody else sit down. Sit down.
That's two for my leg.
I was contacting the county.
Okay. No, we got your units down. Hey.
I shot him a couple times.
Units down. Oh, so we got to.
What's up? There's a female too that took off running.
Carrillo was shot in the leg but managed to return fire, wounding Ramirez. Ramirez was later pronounced dead at Covenant Health Hobbs Hospital from the gunshot wounds. Despite his injury, Carrillo survived the encounter.
Above the 55, ran a Wells Fargo parking lot. Wells Fargo.
The suspect, Daniel Ramirez, age of 27, was shot in a torso after a continuous struggle. Case 3, February 11th, 2022, Edgewood, New Mexico. What began as a call about a woman using drugs in a gas station bathroom escalated into a chaotic shootout. A New Mexico State Police supervisor was injured during the confrontation with the woman's male companion, sparking an intensive search in the East Mountains for the assailants.
Lights are 110, Tommy's attempting to flee, ran my car.
Send them another unit, see if there's any units to go there to help them get through there. Able to get back.
525, can you head out to 50120? Send from all units there, send me at the same time. Project course, I can head that way.
He is out by Pizza Barn. He is headed eastbound on their frontage road. Significant damage to my vehicle. Also be advised I don't have a siren, so I'm going to be lights only. Going to be a silver Cadillac, female passenger, male driver, dark tinted windows. He is coming out eastbound 3 now.
On Bodycam.
He is driving pretty carefully. He is maybe about 70 miles. He is driving pretty carefully.
10% to 80 driving carefully.
Maneuver at Cedillo Hill. Vehicle is down.
Vehicle down to Cedillo Hill.
He was going west last. Few details over in the area to help him.
We're on the way.
10% of 55, 501 is everything, I believe. 391, put me on it and advise hit by what? Gunfire? 49.
We got gunfire on the overpass at Cedillo Hill.
501, do you have weapon description?
Negative, but I'm hit. Please give me a 55.
Direct. 46 now.
Give me a minute.
Where you at? He's been shot, right? He's hit right in the neck, right here, about it.
Give me some pressure on it, okay?
All right.
In a news conference, State Police Chief Tim Johnson reassured that the injured supervisor was shot at least once but would be okay. Authorities initially believed they had tracked the suspects back to the city, detaining a couple. However, state police later confirmed that the couple was not involved in the shooting. The woman was questioned and released, while the man was arrested on an unrelated warrant.
501, I've got some.
However, as of now, the suspects responsible for injuring the police supervisor remain at large, evading justice. Case 4, December 13th, 2022, Tavares, Florida. Officer Courtney Bannock collapsed after fentanyl exposure during a traffic stop. 3 doses of Narcan saved her life, and she fully recovered. During a routine traffic stop, Officer Courtney Bannock made a startling discovery: narcotics, believed to contain fentanyl, hidden inside a dollar bill. While processing the evidence, things took a sudden and terrifying turn.
They clear traffic on 1 yet?
Something like that. Send me email. Reference experience like you did. Right? Possible.
Sit down. Sit down. Give me that camera.
Possible exposure today.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Notified if they have a few extra visual info.
Put your bags on. You get it once?
Despite wearing gloves, Bannock began struggling to breathe, likely exposed to the dangerous drugs through the wind.
47. I think she's ODing. Narcan. Come on, Courtney. Hey, listen.
Come on. Come on.
Courtney. Get in.
Eyes are moving.
Get in Amber's bag. Get in Amber's
You're good.
bag.
You're good.
You're good, Courtney. You're good.
She's breathing.
Hey, stay with me, okay?
You have it.
Breathe. Breathe.
Fun, right?
Hey.
Did you hit her with both?
I know.
Did you give her 2?
I gave her both.
Okay.
I got Mike coming.
Do what?
I got Mike coming, so you can take
It's all
one
in
of
my.
them.
It's all in my truck. In a bag. In a paper bag. Everything that I've got in there.
Was it opened?
It's a dollar bill.
Dollar bill.
That's what it is.
Okay.
This hurts so bad.
Breathe.
Deep.
Breathe.
Inhale deep.
But if you start to bug, let me
All
know.
I wanted to say is I'm going to the PD.
Well, you'll be all right. Breathe in through your nose, out your mouth. Tell them gonna kill somebody in minutes.
I gotta try and call people in the middle of the night.
Hey,
Breathe.
come on, breathe.
Hit her again. Rodney, she's not breathing. Hit her again.
Is she out again?
Yes.
47 Lake County. 3 doses of Narcan.
Can they hurry?
Have you in that expedite, please?
Come on, Mark. There you go. I'm about tired of shooting shit in your nose, girl. You gotta get up.
Let me go grab another one.
Her fellow officers acted fast, laying her down and administering Narcan, the opioid overdose reversing drug. It took 3 doses to revive her. Officer Bannock, though shaken, made a full recovery thanks to their quick response. This incident was a stark reminder of the deadly risks officers face on the job, even during routine stops.
I got one on deck. That's my 2. Have you got another one?
Got another one.
Okay. Depends on how long it takes him to get here.
As we've seen, the life of a police officer is filled with danger and unpredictability. These 4 remarkable stories are just a glimpse into the sacrifices they make every day to keep us safe. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe for more viral body cam stories.